A number of us are here now. We're just waiting to be let in to inspect the morgue. We just want to inspect the morgue. Okay, but let's quickly talk to. Okay, hold on. Let's just have a quick conversation. Can you just explain what is happening here right now? Why is it that we're not being let in?
We are exercising our mandate on behalf of the Governor of Lagos State under the Tribunals of Inquiry. We have already inspected the Lekki toll gate today, and we decided to pay an unscheduled visit to the mortuary of the military hospital because we have confidential information concerning certain events that took place in the hospital here. So we are waiting for them to grant us access to inspect the mortuary because we have reasons to believe that that facility is relevant to our investigation. We don't want to make any conclusion yet until we have access to that mortuary to inspect it. We have a pathology with us who is here to help us conduct medical examination of bodies that we may find in the mortuary. So we're waiting for the military.
Lagos State government has given this panel the authority to conduct this investigation. Why are we getting this resistance for the military? Haven't they been told?
It's not just Lagos State. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria openly announced to the international community that all matters relating to the NSAS protests should be directed to the Lagos Judicial Panel. So we're not just here on the authority of the Governor of Lagos State, but that of the President. And you recall that it was the National Executive Council that gave directive that this panel be set up. So we are only following due process, and it's good that we just inspect the mortuary, we make our findings and go back to make our relevant conclusions therefrom.
All right, then, right now we have the army moving towards us and telling us to leave the premises. So there are actually a lot of army men walking towards us now, telling us to leave. Okay. You can see we have a few of them. Okay, they're saying we should. They're telling us to leave. They're telling us to leave.
Please be careful at the same time, Shaitan.
Okay, as you can see, they're beginning to get very aggressive. Okay, that's an officer by the name of Mr. Haruna. He's saying that if we don't leave, it's going to get very dirty. Okay. We're still here. The gate is being closed now, as you can see. At this point, all we can do is wait and see if they will let us in. Okay, I think he's making an announcement. He's making a...
Is being opened.
We're actually just walking in now. Okay, yes, the gate is being opened. As you can see, we're walking in now, members of the press, and we're going to be led to exactly where, here in the military hospital, Lagos. Hopefully, they're going to let us in and open the morgue so that there can be an inspection. I mean, there is a bit of worry because we were standing outside for 30 minutes, so we have no idea what has occurred in that time. But as you can see, we're here now, and we are following.
That's Shegali, that's the chairman of the panel, Shegali, the creator of the SARS and SARS hashtag, who also is member of the panel. And of course the chairman there, that is will be retired Justice Doris, will be the car is being opened for her. It looks like they're through what they have come to do, and they're just about stepping out. Hello, Shaita. You're still there. I'm just seeing Doris, retired Justice Doris will be entering her SUV. They're over. Is it all over? Bring us up to speed.
Okay, and just for the very wow, this time as a very disappointing one. When we got here,
we thought we were going to be let into the military hospital Lagos and probably into a morgue to do an inspection of the bodies there to be sure that there was nobody from the Lekki toll incident there. But what has been done at this point really was just a brief tour of the premises. And when Rinola placed a question to the superior officer here, asking where, the bodies were, if any bodies were here. He really was we're just told that he was not going to do any interviews. And as you can see, the chairperson is in her car driving off now. At this point, there's really not much to do. They told us to leave the premises, so we just have to wait to hear what the panel has to say about this. Okay, they asked us to leave. Okay, as you can see, members of the panel are beginning to leave as well. So before you go, sir, very quickly, have you met the objective that you came here for today?
Partially, we are on verification, like I said. And we will continue with other options available to the panel. We will get to